Hello everybody, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick video here from alongside the road. I have some really good news, and I got some bad news that will eventually turn into good news. Usually, yeah, we're alongside the road, so we might get some traffic noise. Usually, I like to get the bad news out of the way first and move on from that, and then end with the good news. End on a good note, right? Well, this time it's such good news. We're going to go with it. You may have noticed that the last couple of days that there's ads been playing on my channel, which is really good news for me because yes, my YouTube channel has finally been monetized. So, 6 months after it was originally eligible, it's taken YouTube 6 months to get their head straightened out. Anyway, had this channel been monetized 6 months ago, it's such a different road we'd be on right now. But it is, oh well. So, I don't know. It'll be little bits, and it's a start. My channel's still, pretty small, and it'll be proportionate to that. So, and anyway, that's finally in place. Now it's kind of up to me to go forward and build the channel. Keep at it, and it's up to me what I do with it. So there's that. The bad news is, well, one bad news is it's raining again, and after that last video, I'm hiding under my little awning over here for now. But the real bad news, not that it's real bad, but the real bad news is I got to get this Tioga back to the garage. It's just like I was talking about two videos ago. I'm always doing these projects. I'm always going to be fixing or working on something or another, and somehow I've just neglected the Tioga, because the main job that needs done is a big one. It's, I could probably do it in a couple of days or a week, but it's just really involved, and I've put it off. And now, since the Tioga overheated real bad last time, well, when I started out here a couple of days ago, it overheated so bad. Now that heat, I think, has affected the carburetor. It was already kind of iffy, but now it runs even, I don't know, it needs addressed, so anyway, so in the end, though, when I do that stuff, it ends up being good news when the tire is fixed and feeling better, right? So there's that. But I got to get it back, and I got to get this, get it running better, and get the exhaust leaks fixed on it. And particularly with the YouTube channel now, I'll probably work at it a little more aggressively now, because it does make a difference. And the Tioga needs to be up to the job. So, especially I take this old beast across country again, I really need to go through it and take care of old Miss Tioga and get her better. So that's it. I think that's the only. I think that's all I'm going to do for this video. Wait, well, we have to say hi to Bella. Bella. All right. Huh?
Right.
That's it. We're going for the garage. We got some fixing to do. So, well, I'll check back. See how this goes. Right? Till next time.